quick tour of Windows 10. The first item to look at is if you are logged into our network. This used to be called Novell, now it's called OES. To know if you're logged in or not, you have a couple of options to get into the File Explorer. On your keyboard, you can press the Windows and E button to open up File Explorer. If it's pinned on your desktop like mine is here at the bottom, I can click here. Or I can use Cortana, my search area here, to type in and search for File Explorer. When File Explorer is open, you'll know if you're logged into the network if when you scroll down under this PC, you see the different drives. Don't forget that your H drive will no longer be here. If you've used Google File Stream, you'll see it in this list as well. If you're not seeing any of these drives pop up and you need to log into the network, you'll navigate to the lower right-hand corner with the caret button to show the OES icon. If you hover over, you'll see Client for Open Enterprise Server. Right-click on this icon and go to OES Login. Then enter your first and last name and passwords to log in to the network. Next, let's talk about how to locate items that you're searching for or looking for. The simplest way to search is by using Cortana. Down at the bottom, this search area is a perfect place if you're searching for a certain file, folder, or application. You can also speak what you'd like to search for by clicking on the microphone button. Let's next take a look at the Windows icon. Click the Windows icon on your keyboard or select the Windows icon in the Start menu on the far left-hand corner. There are a few items on here that we'll take a look at. The first is, on the far left-hand corner part of your toolbar, is the power icon. When you click the power icon, it'll show you the option to sleep, shut down, or restart your computer. As you work your way up on here, you also have access to settings, pictures, documents, and this shows your user logged in. If you click, it'll show the other people that have logged into this device. As we move along on the Start icon, this is where you'll see on the top your recently opened applications or programs. Under that, you'll see a listing of all your programs in alphabetical order. On the right-hand side here, you will see in the Start menu live tiles. These live tiles give you quick access to programs that you frequently use. If you right-click, you can unpin those from the Start menu, and you can also turn the live tiles off to customize your experience. To adjust your display settings as you're projecting or change the settings of what you see on your computer screen, right-click and go into Display Settings. Once you're inside of Display Settings, you'll see options to change the scale and layout, resolution, and orientation of your display. When you plug your projector cord into your computer, you may need to play around with the display settings in order for it to fit more nicely onto your smartboard. Remember that the layout of your computer screen is a different shape than your smartboard, so you may need to adjust accordingly. We suggest, if you do have a smartboard that you're projecting on, to change your resolution to 1024 by 768, and then, using your projector remote, change the aspect ratio to wide zoom. Play around with these settings until you're comfortable with the way your computer screen and your projection looks.